Good afternoon. As you know, I represent the company BTC, which was established in 1954 as a company provided logistic activities. And due to the fact that the company constantly built up new warehouses, when the new economy began, we started to refurbish, to renovate, and to build up new premises. And BTC suddenly become a real estate developer, and during this period we set up 3 cities. The biggest one is BTC City Ljubljana. Why city? Because we have a lot of different programs, activities, services, like 450 shops, 60 restaurants. We have 2 business towers, as you see, a hotel with 500 beds, multiplex cinema with 12 screens, aqua park, our own sports hall, 4 banks, microbrewery, open market, and theater, and many others activities, and many others business. So you can see that we talk about one of the largest business, shopping and entertainment and recreational and also cultural center in the Europe. But beside this lovely and polite story are figures which maybe shows the background of this city. Each year 30 million people come to the site, and the business area is quite huge. 300,000 square meters just of business area, plus 100,000 meters of greenery, of parking places. The BTC city is also a huge energy consumer regarding to electricity, regarding to heating. We are a big waste producer, and we consume a lot of huge waste of water also. When the management faced with all this problem, with all these facts, we recognize that we should think on the other way. We should be more creative, we should be more innovative, and that we should go towards the sustainable development. We started with our own ecological station. It was some 10 years ago or something. We separate and process 60% of the waste and deliver them as a raw material. We have 24 fractions of different types of waste. We implemented ISO standards, the most important 14,000, which is ecological, and 2 months ago we implemented 50,000, which is energy ISO standard. We implemented our own eco index. We constantly implemented new technology. This year we will change the whole lighting with LED technology, and we have our own 3 solar power plants. We have put a lot of effort to remove the negative effect of traffic. We built up 12 roundabouts. We have train connection between BTC and the main rail station in Ljubljana. We have a free of charge city shuttle, city bus, etc., etc. We reduced also water loss from 20 to 5%. And yesterday we had a press conference And we introduced to the public a new, one of the new project. The main idea of the project is to raise public awareness of green values. 4 years ago, we introduced our own eco-index, which is our evaluation system, which based on measurement of projects which reduce the negative effects and increase the positive impact on the environment. And the model is involved in our business plan each year. And we are forced to do something according to improve the negative effects and some acts to improve the energy efficiency. We put a lot of effort and we talk a lot with our business partner. We want that they follow us regarding to reduce the effect into optimized in energy, and we have a very good result. And this is one of very important thing we do regarding to the sustainable development. If you go now to BTC, you will see the stickers and labels regarding to promote the green products and services and raising public awareness. We also do a lot of project with the youngest. We made the workshops, and this is very successful thing, and we made a magnificent result. We have our own ecological portal, and as you see, we have this charging for electrical vehicles also, and we got many significant regards. If you look at the energy problem in BTC, I should say that 2 years ago, we set up this energy management system with this task, which is reduction of energy and cost, of course, which is to promote have our own electricity production. We want also to raise public awareness, and we insisted that we need cooperation between the science, and so we started to work with the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering in Ljubljana, and we got some magnificent results. We reduced the energy consumption in some special mechanism like ventilation, like heating, etc. So the portion, we can see that electricity is the main consumer. 2/3 of the electricity belong to electricity. And but if we will be together 3 months later on the end of this year, the reduction will be significant, because now is in the process many small or bigger renovation and implementation of new machinery, which will reduce, for instance, in the most known hall named Dvorana A, we will implement the new heating, cooling and ventilation system, which will reduce by 30% also heating and electricity. This is very significant, that's very important figures for us. This is one result of our effort for reducing energy consumption. If we have not made all improvements, the consumption of electric power would be 45 million instead of 39 million in the past year, 2011. It is a big gap, but also a big achievement. Beside this, I should say that we built up additional 50,000 square meters of additional business premises. So we consider that this is a big result, and it was made by ourselves. That was our idea, that was our intention, that was our money we put into this project. This is ongoing project which is going now in BTC, almost completed in logistics center when we have more than 60,000 square meter of premises. We implemented this LED lighting outside and inside, and the result are energy saving, cost saving, and reduction of carbon dioxide, I think so. Then we also changing the lighting system in all three cities, Ljubljana, Novo Mesto, Murska Sobota, with the same effect. And we installed the new facade, we installed the thermal insulation of facade, we installed the ice storage bank, we modernized the pumps, heating system, and other system. BTC got this ISO standards energy 2 months ago, and BTC is among the 10 Slovene company which get this system. This is a presentation of that. I want to show you how we control the consumption of energy. If we are too far off this line, we would immediately intervene. Then we have three, as I told you, we have 3 solar power. The first one was completed 2010. This is the biggest. In logistics center, in 30,000 square meter of roofs, the surface is 13,000 square meter. Then the second was built last year in the tallest building in Slovenia, Crystal Palace, on the facade. And the second and the last one was completed 1 month ago in city of Murska Sobota. I should say also about the results of the sustainable development, which are, we are very proud on these results. We, in 10 years, the company invested 30 million euros. We reduced emission in 2 years for 2 million tons of carbon. We produce our own green solar, green electricity. We produce 2 million kilowatt hours annually. We reduce electricity consumption by 4 million kilowatt hours each year. It will be continue each year. And we have also potential capacity to have our own ONS plants up to 4 million. We reduce water losses from 20% to 5%. We separate our waste, and we have a control system and eco index, etc., etc. So those were the main data about the energy. And BTC Online, I should say just 2 words. We started in 1998 because we were forced. We made our own program also for the custom services, and another way we would lose our partners. Our distinguished partners, well-known international companies like Microsoft, like Unicredit Bank and IBM, tells to themselves what kind of network, optical network and IT we have in BTC. We don't need to talk because they are most demanding companies in the world. So if I finish, I should say that what should I say? That we will continue to this strategy. We will continue to go this way because we know that this way is good for the company, for the society, and for the wider welfare of the Slovenia. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Petrin, for this interesting example.